Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a unboxing of the Face Masks Club subscription. That is always a mouthful to say. I did do a video about the service a few months back where I compared it to the face mask subscription FaceTory. That was a service I have been signed up to for a good couple of years now, and that one was based in the US. When I did see this service was based in the UK, I did do a comparison, and now that I've finally got through a backlog of sheet masks, I decided to sign up for this one on a monthly basis. I did absolutely love FaceTory and it is a great subscription service, but because I am based in the UK and that was based in the US, it was a little bit more pricey getting it shipped over here, whereas because this one is UK based and I don't pay any shipping, it does work out cheaper per month and I do actually get one extra mask. So this is a sheet mask subscription service, as the name would suggest, and you have a couple of options on their website. You can purchase one-off boxes, which I did last time just to give the service a try, and because I was so impressed with the service, that's why I've now signed up to a monthly subscription. When I did first sign up, there was only one option of how many sheet masks you received, and that was a box of 5. They have now changed this in that you can either receive a box of 5 or a box of 7, which I think is great. If you do decide to just purchase the one-off boxes for the 5 sheet masks, it is £9.95, and I believe the 7 sheet masks is £12.95. And then if you do decide to do it as a monthly subscription, you do save 5%. So for me, the 5 sheet masks is £9.45 a month. I completely forgot to double check the amount of the 7 sheet masks. My maths is not good enough to remove 5% from £12.95, but it is just shy of that. It's £12 something, I believe, so apologies that I didn't work that out. This service does work similar to FaceTory, that they have a set amount of sheet masks that they release each month. So this box that I'm unboxing now is the ones from September. So if you were to subscribe to this box at any point in September, these would be the sheet masks that you would receive. Now I did do a full video comparing the two, but because FaceTory is still kind of fresh in my mind, I can't help but compare. And just in case you haven't seen that comparison video, I thought I'd mention some little points along the way in this one. One of the slight downsides for this one compared to FaceTory is that you don't get a little card with all the information on the masks. And because this service does contain a lot of Korean skincare brands, some of the instructions on the back are very limited, so I have had to try and sort of look up some of the sheet masks in the past, whereas say with FaceTory you do get the little card which gives you a bit about what the sheet mask contains and what it actually does. It's not a major issue, I still really enjoy using sheet masks, and based on some of the ingredients and sometimes kind of the pictures on the front, you can tend to work out what a sheet mask does. It was just a point I'd like to mention. We'll go through and show you the sheet mask that I've received in just a second, but if you are interested in the service, I will leave a link to their website in the description box below. This video is in no way sponsored, and this is a subscription service I have paid for myself. So these are the 5 sheet masks that I got this month. The first one is in really cute packaging. This is from the brand Skin Recovery, and this is the Illuminating Arbutin Mask. So this one does say blended with moisture, ingredient Arbutin, vitamin E, green tea extract and tropical fruits to brighten. Powerful formula clarifies skin. Real pulp cloth retains more moisture, helping pores to fully absorb Pure Derm's beneficial ingredients. So actually the brand might be Pure Derm and Skin Recovery might be the line. So it says real pulp. I'm really intrigued by this one and also slightly scared as to what a pulp sheet mask is. It doesn't say much more on the back. So sheet type essence mask, easy and effective skin moisturising treatment. A real pulp sheet which prevents skin stress and provides close adhesion to the skin. So yeah, I'm really intrigued by this one, and I do absolutely love that the packaging looks like a little jar. So I'm excited to give this one a go. I do usually do a empties video of all my sheet mask empties around the same time that I do my general empties. But if I'm going to continue using this service every month, I might do it similar to how I do my pick and mix samples, in that I go over the ones I've used from the previous month and then show you the ones I've received the next month. If you think that might be a good way to do this style of video, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, really excited to give this one a go. The next one we have here is from the brand PF79. This is a fresh fruit extracts mangosteen sheet mask. This one says after sun, so that's quite helpful that it does say that. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what this fruit is. I can honestly say I've never seen this fruit before in my life. I presume they're the same fruits, that might just be a slightly riper version of it. And if it is it a mangosteen? Whatever that is. This one doesn't have any English on the back, it's literally just got this little amount of English on the front. It just says fresh fruit extract. It doesn't actually even say how long to keep it on for. They do have the little pictures which tell you how to do it, and normally you can see how long of a time you need to keep it on for. It'll normally say like 15 to 20 in English or something, but this one doesn't. Generally I do tend to keep sheet masks on for 15 minutes, so I'll go with that with this one. But yeah, I really am intrigued by this one because I don't know anything about it, but it looks fun. Then we have this one from the brand Peri Pera. This is the Juice Time Grape Sheet Mask. This one says, Papera Juice Time Sheet Mask helps to provide moisture and sufficient nutrition with fresh fruit extract, which hydrates and helps relax the skin for all skin types. And this one says 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm keen to see what that one's like. We don't tend to have grape scented things over here. I know you get a lot of grape scented things in the US, but our equivalent here is kind of blackcurrant. Any sweets that are purple or anything are blackcurrant here, whereas I believe the grape in the US. So it's not a scent that I do get to smell a lot here, so I'm excited to give this one a go. One other point to notice about the sheet mask, I love the packaging and how they send things, but they include these little silver stars in the packaging and they get absolutely everywhere, so I will be picking these up no doubt for the next hour. But it's really cute, and to be honest I probably should save them up and my daughter can use them as sequins or something. So next we have this one from Scenic, I think that might be, and this is a hyaluronic acid essence mask. So this says, Scenic Essence Masks makes your skin feel moist and healthy with natural ingredients as it closely adheres to the skin. And then on the back it says, this intensive moisture mask leaves skin feeling soft and moisturised by forming a protective film over the skin and providing moisture to dry skin with ingredients such as bamboo extracts and hyaluronic acid, which has excellent moisture retaining power. So I'm keen to give this one a go. I do really like products that contain hyaluronic acid, so this one will probably work well for me. And as you can see on the back, it is covered in these little stars. And then the final sheet mask is from the brand Elise and Vika, I think that might be. This is the Vita Deep Power Ringer Mask Pack. So it has a Milky Piggy Cyborg on it, and it says, Vita Deep Power Ringer. Applying nourishing essence on face care mask improves facial skin tone and tired looking skin more elastic and healthy. And that is about it. I don't think it says anything else on here. When I first got this out of the pack, I did think it said ginger, so I was thinking it was going to be a ginger one, but now looking at it, it looks like it's kind of vitamin C and orange and things, and again quite cute packaging, so I'm keen to see what this one's like as well. So that is the 5 sheet masks that I've received in this box. So quite a few kind of intriguing ones there that I am excited to give a try. I do love a good sheet mask. I do try and do a sheet mask at least once, if not twice a week. And even though I don't think I ever notice any kind of long-term benefits from them, I do really enjoy the kind of pampering aspect of them, and then my skin does usually feel nice for the kind of next day or so. So I think we've got a fair mix of different things there, from soothing to hydrating and things, so excited to give them a go. So as I said earlier, I will leave the link to the Face Masks Club website in the description box below if you are interested in giving this a go yourself. I think for £9.45 a month it is really worth it, because that works out at just under £2 a sheet mask, and I know if I go and buy sheet masks from Superdrug, they are kind of at least £2 or £3 each. That tends to be for just sort of boring ones, whereas these look pretty exciting. So far I am really enjoying the service, and I'm excited to see what's coming in the next few months. But that is it for today's unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.